This is challenging. Cost plus 20%. And your closing inventory given to you is 45,000. 45,000. How about your opening inventory? Opening inventory is 36. 36. This 36 is transfer price. This 36 is the transfer price. You see that? So this transfer price means it's a cost plus 20% means equal to 120%. Means equal to 120%. Because cost price is the cost plus 20%. Similarly to the closing inventory. Similarly to the closing inventory, this one also transfer price. This closing inventory also a transfer price. So I can get my this unrealized profit here. This balance actually how I get 36,000 times 20 over 120. 20 over 120. Are you okay? So this one will be 120 over 20. And then how about closing? Closing is 45. Can you see that? Closing is 45. 45. So this one I need to times 20 over 120. So if you lost already, please ask question. Now you can hear my voice already. So this one will be 20 over 120. Calculator. $45 times 20 divided by 120. 7,005. 7,005 will be here. So you must have an opening and closing balance first. Then now we are going to work out your manufacturing account. Next page, I leave the manufacturing account here. We go into your manufacturing account. Okay, can you all start looking at this one? The inventory for the raw material is 12,000. Yeah, purchases 303. Total is calculated 315. Minus closing inventory given the question 15,000. So that is calculated 300,000. And direct labor according to question is 60,000. So this one will be your prime cost. Up to here, any question? This is your prime cost. You are here with me already. 197 already. So let your friend that who didn't attend the class tell them that this is my discussion for 360. Then continue. Entry overhead. Entry overhead, you just copy from the question. Entry overhead, you just copy from the question. Insurance 1,005. 22,500. 1,005. Water 30,000. And salary 37,500. All here. $99,000. Then from here you can get 459,000. Now, how about work in progress? Opening balance is 18,000. They add up together 477. And how about closing? Closing will be 13,500. 13,500. You minus, you get 46,500. Once you get this 43,600, this figure you calculate 20%. You see that? You calculate 20%. Then you can get your profit. 463,500 times 20%. 92,700. 92,700. This will be your unrealized profit. This will be your unrealized profit, and this one will be called transfer price. Up to here, any problems? Okay. From this 92,700, I'm going to transfer to your unrealized profit account just now. Remember just now page number 12? Page number 12. You have here 92,700. On this one. You already got 92,700. Here. 92,700. Are you okay up to here? Then don't forget, this one add up together 98,700. Here must be 98,700 also. Okay, you got 7,500. So that's how I get my 91,200. It is called balancing fee. Transfer to SBL. That means factory people say, I want to make a profit of 92,700. Look here, I want to make a profit of 92,700. I want to make profit of 92,700. But you got 7,500 cannot earn. 7,500 cannot earn because this is a closing inventory, not yet sold. The profit not earned. I need to minus it out. How about last year? Last year I got 6,000 profit not earned deducted. This year I can add it back. So your 91,200 will be your. How to get the yellow color 92,700? You will minus the unrealized profit, then add the last year one. So that's how you get your 91,200. So this 91,200 will be recorded in SBL. Can you see that? So now come back to here. Come back to here. Your profit should be 92,700, but in your profit here, yeah. When you prepare your this trading account, so you can get your gross profit. You can get a gross profit later on. This side. Do you see that? This 92,200 will be here. Sorry. Gross profit will be here. So this one will be 91,200. Can you see that? So go back to my this trading account. This one I already filled for you. I never delete. This one I didn't delete it. It's see this one is the transfer price. This one also transfer price. This one also transfer price. See that? Inventory a transfer price, finished good also transfer price, closing also transfer price. So this figure will be higher. This figure will be higher. So 766 minus 766 minus 547 or greater. 766 and then according to the question 600 minus 547 200. So this is the profit you can claim in the marketing department. Yeah, you can try. I transfer this figure. Assume that I transfer this figure. Now I transfer 556. Am I right? Look at here. How about if I transfer this figure 463? Listen here. How about I transfer this figure 463? So do you see that this one will be smaller? If I transfer 463, this one becomes smaller. Then your gross profit becomes higher. Understand or not? That means the marketing department claim all the profit. I repeat that. If this figure I change it to 463 500. So do you see that your cost of goods sold will become smaller? This one will become smaller. So your sales minus the smaller cost of goods sold, your gross profit will be higher. Marketing department claim all the profit. Now, manufacturing department, they don't want to let them claim. So that's why we transfer market price. Listen, we transfer market price. And from the computation just now, I did get 219,400. 219,400. Then I record here. 219,400. So that is how you get a gross profit. Understand? I hope that you can understand, especially this ledger. So I no need to show manufacturing profit minus unrealized profit last year and this year. Okay, or I no need to put it back. I have to minus the increase in allowance for unrealized profit. No need. Okay, no need. So last time in the lecture notes here, do you see that this note have become redundant if you prepare ledger? If you prepare ledger, this one become redundant because 25,900. Go back to your just now. Go back to your page number. This is page number 1. This is page number 12. Sorry, page number 11. Go back to page number 11. Open at page number 11. This one become redundant. I just need to show manufacturing profit 25,900 where I can get it from the ledger. Can you see that? This is in the page number 12. Page number 12, if I prepare this ledger, I can straight away show 25,900. Instead of page 11, you need to show like that. Listen here, in the exam, don't show like that. Just show this figure will do. Just show 25,900 will do. Understand? That means this one don't want. This one don't want. Yeah, you just show gross profit plus the manufacturing profit 25,900 will do. Yeah? So now come back to this question. When you get this ledger, allowance for unrealized profit 91,200, you straight away record 91,200. Factory, you want to claim, in the factory, you want to claim 92. That is what you want to claim. In the factory, you want to claim 92,700. That's what you want to claim. So transfer price come to the cost of goods price, become cost of goods sold higher. Cost of goods sold higher, then your gross profit will become smaller. Gross profit becomes smaller. There's another portion of manufacturing profit already get it from ledger. Okay, so I think the rest you can figure out yourself. Am I right? figure you can fill out yourself. This one should be 20,000. Then general expenses according to question. Read the question. General expenses. 13,500. Postage 4,350. Salary 105,000. And advertising. Advertising expenses 3,000. 3,000 in the note number 2. You got accurate, so become 4,500. So this one you add accurate. Note number, this is note number 2. Note number 2. Note number 2. Don't forget electricity. Pay in advance. For office electricity, you pay extra already. Note number 2. This is the prepaid. Prepaid, you're the minus. Are you okay up to here? So now I add up together. So I minus, wait. You get 1,47350. Am I do anything calculation wrong here? This one 22 minus, oh sorry, this one is 20,250. This is so now you can get 163,000. And as I say, this one delete it, don't want it. This one show as a book. And this one show as a working. If you completed here, and now I'm going to show you the statement of financial position. So the most important thing is this closing inventory, raw material, this one. I'm going to show you the raw material is supposed to be closing inventory 15,000. The raw material 15,000. And then this work in progress is 13,500. How about here? Here is no longer 45,000. Do you see that? I minus the URP. Minus the URP. You can show working like that. You can show working like that. Or you show as one on the working note just upstairs. Okay. So this is the transfer price. This is the transfer price. Minus 7,500. This you can get 37,500. Go back to cost. Go back to cost. And then prepaid will be 2,250. So you add up together. Can you get 68,250? So that is how you prepare your question. retained earning here. Do you see my retained earning just now? 163 plus 80. So if I delete on the top there, here I have to put here like that. 163 plus 80. So working here. And if there's any dividend, you need to minus your dividend. If there's any dividend, you need to minus your dividend. So in this case, don't have. So accurate advertising is also in a note number 2, just now. Note number 2. So that is how you can assign 445.